What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco chilling out here right outside Citadel. About to go ahead and check out here, see if we can find anything on that back wall. They're doing 30% off, so hopefully they have some heat, maybe some Jordan retros or some Jordans, period. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Make sure you guys hit the like button, share the video, and pay attention because there is a giveaway in this video as well. Let's go. So we're here at Citadel. Let's go ahead and see what they got here. That's what they got behind the wall right there. You got Jordan 1s, Jordan 11s right there, 7s, Jordan 2s up there. Pretty good selection of stuff on that little heat wall right there too. Jordan 7 Citruses, full size run here for these. Not a bad shoe at all. Color combination is not bad. We got 30% off the back wall, but not off of this. Undefeated Jordan 37, $149.97. So there is a 30% off on this one if you guys are interested in that. Jordan 2s here. Bless you. 200 still full retail, but you get the 30% off on here. Then you got some Sakai's here, which you've been seeing at more outlets lately, down to 99 bucks with that 30% off on these too. We got a few of those Jordan 1s, the Jordan 2s here. Of course, we got the LeBrons here. Found them for 50 bucks. At this point, they're still 200 for that shoe. Air Max 95 down here. Got the Stussy Air Max Penny 2. It's like a good amount of these Jordan 2s here, man. That's kind of crazy. House is pretty packed here. We got the LeBron 7s, the FAMU colorway. Still full retail, 200 bucks with 30% off on that. Jason Kidd's down there, Zion 2s. LeBron Next Gen, Giannis Immortality. It's got another pair of the LeBrons, man. Definitely a dope colorway. Definitely some good materials. We saw them when they were here with the full box last time I came. I guess they still got them here. Nobody really bought them when they were there because they still had them on for retail for 200. I guess with 30% off, now people might grab them up a little bit. Wow, the John Morant. This is a baby size though, size 4 on the John Morant here. 30% off, or yeah, 30% off because it's on the back wall. Emerald Glow. Okay, let's see. 149. GTs here, GT cuts. Pretty cool colorway. 149 with the extra percentage off. We get 30% off the back wall, like I said before. See if we can find anything that really stands out. KD 15, size 10, 129. Makes these around 80 something bucks with that 30% off, which is good. They have 50% off on select items. Let's see if we can find some of those select items too before we get out of here. A lot of Sakai's. Got the Zion 2s, 94 bucks as opposed to 120, 12 and a half. That's not bad either. That's not bad either. What did we, oh, okay. I thought this was something else. You guys know what I thought that was. Got more LeBrons down here, 200 bucks still full retail. How did I score those for 50 bucks, man? That was a steal right there. Not a crazy selection here, but there is still some stuff here. Air Max 90s, size 10 and a half, and we're not even done yet. We still got a lot more to look through and see what's up here. They got some Jordans here. I don't know what Jordans these are. Let's see. Oh, some nothings. Okay, I like this colorway on these here. First time seeing the sky blue. Colorway's not bad at all. Still $89 with the 30% off. Infinity Fly and Run 89 as opposed to 165. Black colorway is also 89 bucks as well. Pegasus 39, 89 bucks from 130. I like this color combination. Almost got a university blue kind of feature. I like that. I like that, especially with what I got on right now. Then we got some more Pegasus 39s. These are 99 bucks. That blue colorway is clean though. Pegasus 39. This one's $74.99 as opposed to 130. Green Roshis here, $59.99, $54.99 as opposed to 75 bucks. Gray Roshis are $64.99. Black and white Roshi, $64.99. We do see something. Pretty good size run of this Air Force One undefeated colorway. Pretty good size run, 149, normally 160, so there's a little bit of discount, but you don't take no extra 30% off. Air Max 90, this Laker vibe, 89 bucks as opposed to 130 on these. Nike Air Max Command, I like this colorway, got some good materials on here. 94 bucks as opposed to 125. Got an Air Max 270, $99.97 with the 165. So you can take the 30% off of this one as well. Air Max Evo 94 as opposed to 110. I like this colorway a little bit more. This one's also $94. They do have some up tempos here, 165. Some Immortalities here, $74.99. Pretty dope colorway. Don't recall seeing this colorway at a Tray 5, $69 as opposed to $90. This one is kind of slept on. This Jordan 1 Low Comfort, this is not bad. $99 on the retail. LeBron Witness 7 as the Witness 8s are around the corner. Pretty good size run for these. Still $94. Should be a little cheaper here, or at least some discount, but nope. What do you guys think about that colorway though? Triple black colorway, $94 as well. Jordan 1 Mid, $135 or $125, still full retail. We got bigger sizes over here. Let's see if there's some more sleepers over here because people don't have really big feet like that. Get the extra 30% off of the stuff here. So let's see what's up. Structures. Nothing that's really standing out crazy right now. They are putting some stuff up, but it's something that we don't really care for. You got some Jordan Dub Zeros here, bigger size. You got the Air Max 97 Be True. Not a bad colorway, just kind of wild, man. Oh, we got the Ambush size something. What's this, size 14 for $129? Size 14, $129, you take 30% off of that. That's not bad. That's not a bad steal right there. Bigger sizes here. Got the Air Force Ones with the suede. More Dub Zeros. Kind of a quiet situation. Air Max 97s, $99. Down here on the back wall, we got some Jordan golf shoes, size 15, $129 as opposed to the normal price. Pretty clean to see these here. Discount on the back wall as well. Air Max 95 right there, Air Max 90s. Restocking the shelf, you got Zoom Freak 4s here, $59, size 14, $59 with 30% off. That's hella cheap right there for sure. Got some more golf shoes with size 16 on those. Pretty big on those. Slide over here. What else? Nothing else really. Metcons, both of these are $109 as opposed to the $130 retail. Got the Metcon Free 4, $99 as opposed to $125. Check out some of this clothes right here. Howard University, 30% off of this stuff here too. Didn't see nothing that really stood out to me. $69, pretty dope stuff. Some of these things are just priced still too high. You would think it'd be a little cheaper, especially from what we're seeing at Ross and everything. But stuff is still kind of priced high, slightly discounted. $160. Got the orange, or for the Phoenix Suns. Yeah, I know people going crazy for them this year. $84. They still got these here, $89 as opposed to $140. I like this color combination on these for sure. Pegasus Trail 3 down at $79 as opposed to $110. Pegasus 38, $89 as opposed to $130. Got those. Okay, shout out to WNBA. Let's see if they got that rose shirt I was talking about before. There's a Nike swoosh that has okay, they got it in black. $29. I like it in black. I don't know if I should get a large or extra large on that stuff. Warrior sweater, $85 on these. These backpacks are pretty cool looking. $39 on these too. These definitely are priced more than that for retail for sure. You guys can see 6 rings. Look at these Jordan mids for grade school, $120. Then we got Jordan 2 Lucky Greens also for grade school. And then we found these here, which are also at Ross right now. Pegasus Trail, $99 as opposed to $140. I like this colorway though. Smaller sizes posted up. Jordan 1 Low Reverse Laneys here chilling out. Smaller sizes gonna have heat here for sure. Let's go see Jordan 6s. We got Jordan 7 still here. Air Force Ones, more Jordan 6s here, as well as the gray colorway too. Pretty good selection of grade school shoes. Some of those Dunks here, Dunk Highs. Good selection for the grade school. No reason for me really to be here right now, but just showing y'all in case y'all trying to get out here this weekend. Got these on deck here, $135, still regular retail, size 12 for women. You get 30% off of here too, which is cool. Air Max 270s, 160 on these. Actually, on both colorways that they have, they're 160 on the retail. Pennies here that nobody bought for $94 with 30% off on those too. How's that?
No, like you always be wanting it.
Oh.
Get this go back.
Stop by Adidas really quick because their basketball section is usually on point, especially with the deals. Got Dame Certifieds over here. Done issues that we've seen before. Trying to see if there's anything that we haven't seen, a colorway or something like that. Everything here we definitely have seen before. Let me know what you guys think about these. They got the BYW Select here in this brown colorway. $99 with 50% off on that. BYW Select in this colorway too. Looks like a couple other silhouettes out there. Don Issue Xbox colorway, 120 with 40% off on those. Then we've seen this, the one before here, clearance, $99 for 50% off on this colorway of the Don Issue 4 also. I've seen this color combination, 110 with 40% off. 120 with 40% off on this colorway. Very comfortable looking shoe. We gotta try these on at some point. Volume 6s over here. They do have a pretty good selection. It's 40% off their back wall as well. I'm not gonna stay here too long because I got some more things to do. Just wanted to peek back here and see what else they had going on here though. Trey Young 2s, $79, same amount that you see them at Burlington. Colorway, Ultra Boost 21, colorway, pretty dope. I like this colorway too on the Ultra Boost 21. Perfect.